Hi guys! Welcome to another video of RV Realty PH. For today's house tour, we will have a video of this very nice 3-story modern house here in Vista Verde, Cainta Rizal. So as we all know, Vista Verde is one of the more exclusive villages in Cainta Rizal. It's very family-oriented because of the schools inside the subdivision. We have a lot. And then we also have a lot of restaurants, coffee shops, barber shops, and then paglabas nyo, meron na agad tayong Robinson Supermarket, and we also have McDonald's and Jollibee right outside the village. So this house stands on a 240 square meter lot area with a floor area of 300 square meters. So enough of the details. Let's head into the house tour. So this property have a very unique layout. So hindi siya yung usual na nakikita natin, but it's a good thing. You'll see. So right upon entry of the property, we have 4-car garage and covered yung 4 carport natin, ha. And then our main door is on the side going into the first living room, or it's actually convertible to a first bedroom. And then after the first living room, meron tayong backside garden or back garden natin. Dun yung napakalaking area natin na pwede nating lagyan ng, pag summer, pwede natin siyang lagyan ng mga Steel Pro na swimming pool. Diba? Or para sa mga plantito at plantita na nahilig sa plants, it's a very nice chunk of land na pwede natin gawing malaking garden. Yan. Para sa kung kasama niyo yung mga in-laws nyo or yung mother nyo na senior. Yan. Malilibang talaga sila. Napakaganda ng ating backside garden. Na merong porch. Yan. Meron siyang elevated porch. Yan. And then going on the other side, we have also a service area. So meron tayong laundry area and a service kitchen downstairs. And then we also have an outdoor maid's room with its own toilet and bath. So yung toilet and bath nyo, meron yung sa maids nyo, you have their own, but in the living area, you also have your own toilet and bath there. So welcome to the second floor of this very nice house. Yan. So itong second floor natin, may kasama pang ano, and then may guest tayo. Yan. So, this is a very open layout. Kung makikita nyo, it's very spacious. So, meron tayong, on your right side, this is gonna be your second living room or living area. Most ng time, usually, ng family are spent in the living area, in the kitchen, and in the dining area. So, ang kagandahan dito, pinag-isa na lang, magkakadikit siya. So, yan. So, this is the living room. Kung makikita nyo, meron na tayong sofa set. Yan. Kasama na lahat po yan. Lahat po ng nakikita nyo within the house, pwera ako. Yan. Kasama po yan. So, this is a fully furnished house that's for sale. Yan. So, napakadalang po nating magkaroon ng for sale house na fully furnished. Okay, on your left side, this is the dining area. This is a 6-seater dining table, dining set. Pero actually, kasya dito kahit 8 people. So, na-adjust din to. Ito, pwede itong ibaba na ganun. So, pwede siyang mas maigsi if you want a little bit smaller of a table. Kasi kung 4 lang kayo or kung 5 lang kayo sa pamilya, you don't need a big one. But it really depends on you. And then, for this dining area, meron na rin tayong lighting, decorative lighting that's focusing on the dining table. Yan, napakaganda ng ating decorative lighting. Tapos, kung mapapansin nyo, on your right side, meron tayong malaking balcony overlooking our rear garden or backside garden, yung napakita namin sa inyo kanina. Okay, so going into the main event of this property, ito talaga yung pinaka-paboritong parte namin. This is the kitchen. Kung mapapansin nyo, it's very well connected with the dining area and fully equipped na siya. So, kumpleto na po yan. So, starting off the kitchen, we have a side-by-side Fuji Denso refrigerator. Yan, makikita nyo. May kasama pang sesto. Baka po gusto nyo. Ayan. So, it's fully functional. Brand new rin po yan. And then, we have a lot of modular kitchen cabinets. And, ang lahat ng cabinets natin ay soft close. Diba? Yan ang ating paborito kasi medyo pangit naman sa tenga kapag, di ba, nagkikwentuhan kayo tapos meron ka lang nabagsak na ganon. Umingay na. So, it's lakas makayaman. Oh, di ba? And then, on this side, lahat ng countertop natin, it's quartz. And then, on this side naman, meron tayong glass type naman ng cabinet para sa ating aesthetic-wise na mga kumbaga kitchen accessories, or usually di ba nilalagay nila sa mga jars yung mga noodles, ganun, pang display, IG worthy. Ayan. So we also have the cooktop and the oven with its own range hood here. And then same dito, meron din tayong glass na kitchen cabinets. And then meron din tayong mga under shelves. Lahat po yan, napakaganda ng finishes. Mapapansin nyo siya actually when you close the door. Meron kasing soft close, pero siyempre iba-iba ng level yan, diba? Meron din tayong stainless sink and faucet here. Double sink siya. And then meron na rin tayong filtered water. Meron tayong filtering system downstairs. Kaya kahit hindi kayo magpa-deliver ng mga filtered water or mineral water, meron na rin with the property. And one very good quality of this kitchen, you have windows on both sides. Kaya yung natural lighting natin, napakaganda. And pag maliwanag yung kitchen mo, napakalaking dagdag niya sa space, and of course, mas maganda siyang tingnan, mas maliwanag. And then, of course, for the last part of the kitchen, meron tayong center island. Our center island is big, but it's functional. So, pag nagluto dyan, dito nilalagay, or kung gusto nyo, dito kayo maghiwa. Pero, napakarami pa rin itong kitchen cabinets. Yan, o. Kompleto yan. And then, meron din siyang dalawang outlet dito. Yan. So, you have two outlet here. So, it's very functional. Kailangan yan. Comes with 3 bar stools as well. Diba? So, isa sa pinakamagandang parte ng bahay na to is this one. Kasi, most of the time, if you're a family who loves cooking, who loves eating, who loves to be with each other, nandito talaga kayo. So, may nagpe-prepare ng food, or kahit mag-order lang kayo outside, there's a lot of restaurants outside, dito mo lang siya ilalatag, then, yun yung dining area mo. This is the living area. You can put your TV here, or projector, diba? Projector. Napakalaki niya. It's very spacious. Okay? So, aside from the kitchen, we also have this one. This is a pantry, walk-in pantry. Diba? Napakalupit. Merong walk-in pantry. So, lahat ng mga stocks nyo, bigas, lahat, pwede nyong isalansan lahat dito. Diba? Not all houses have these. Now, let's go into the first bedroom. So, this is the first bedroom. Ayan. Meron na rin tayong mga kasamang split type aircon for all the bedrooms. And then, meron din tayong 4 window. Yan, nabubuksan yan lahat. And then, meron kang sliding na, not sliding, pull down. Yan. Meron tayong screen, pull down screen. Yan, umuulan na naman. Hopefully, hindi maapektuhan masyado yung ano natin, yung audio. Now, you also have this blackout curtains on both windows. Yan, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na split type aircon. And then, of course, meron tayong sariling toilet and bath for this one. So for this bedroom, for this first bedroom, you can consider it as your master's bedroom kasi napakaganda nung toilet and bath. So pagpasok mo pa lang, you already have his and her sink, or his and his, her and her. Kayo na pong bahala. Tapos meron din siyang sariling mirror each one and a very spacious countertop. Kasi syempre yung lahat ng abubot nandyan. Lahat ng pang lotion and everything, kumpleto yan. Meron din siyang cabinets dito. And then of course, your shower is here. Napakaganda ng quality nito. Tingnan mo naman yung shower head mo. Super nice. Oh. Tapos may heater na rin siya. Sabi ng videographer natin, tama naman. Ayan, may hot and cold na siya. Turn left for hot, then turn right for cold. So, napakaganda. Parang hotel type yung toilet and bath natin. And then, of course, ang paboritong pwestuhan ng mga daddy, ayan, nakaganon lang sa phone for 30 minutes. Ang trono dito. And then, you also have the windows there. Yan, sa taas, that gives natural light. Pero may blackout curtains din siya. Okay? And then, on your right side, the surprise. Meron tayong mini walk-in. Mini walk-in closet. Yan. So, matutuwa po si Mrs. Napakarami. Napakarami ng kanyang lalagyanan ng shoes, ng dress, ng bags. Diba? Most likely, makakakuha yung mga husband. Ito lang. The rest, yan. Sa misis nyo na yan. Huwag na kayong umangal. So guys, we're on the 3rd floor. So, nandito yung dalawang bedrooms natin. And then, silipin na natin. Yan. So, pagpasok nyo, this is a big bedroom. Actually, ito, tsaka yung kabilang bedroom on the 3rd floor are of the same size. So, pareho siya ng size. Pero maluwag siya kasi probably 3 by 3, 9, mga roughly 10 square meters siya. Mga ganun. Yan. So, maglalagay ka ng bed, pwede rito. And then, meron na rin tayong kasamang window type aircon. And then, we also have the built-in closet. So, modular closet. Yan. And then, meron din tayong balcony bawat bedroom. So, yan. Palit kami ni BJ, ha? Makita eh. Yan. So, this is a sliding door going to the balcony. Maulan lang, kaya hindi na ako palalabas ng balcony kasi yung audio natin. But this is a huge balcony connected dun sa isang bedroom. So, connecting siya. Yan. Puntahan natin yung isa pang bedroom. So, this is the 3rd bedroom. So, kung mapapansin nyo, parehong-pareho yung layout natin. So, meron siyang inverter aircon na kasama. Meron siyang sliding glass door papuntang balcony. You have 2 windows on each side. And then, meron din siyang built-in closet. Ayan. So, yun. Now, let's check the common toilet and bath. Yan. So, this is the common toilet and bath for your second and third bedroom. So, napakaluwag niya. So, tamang-tama talaga kung may family kayo. Yung mga bata, malaki yung ating toilet and bath. And meron na rin siyang glass shower enclosure. Diba? Yan. And then, paglabas mo, meron pa tayong surprise. May isa pa tayong small bedroom here. Actually, it's not a bedroom. Yan. Surprise siya. Yan. Meron kang laundry room na very specific for your dirty clothes ng mga bata. Ayan, dito na. Diretso na dito. Then, meron na rin tayong LG na washer-dryer here. Tapos, meron tayong countertop and sariling sink and faucet. Yan. So, very useful to kasi meron tayong sariling big balcony here. Yan. This is Brazil. So, this is the big balcony. Actually, it can also be your sampayan area. Kaya sa katabi ng ating laundry room. Pero, multi-purpose tong balcony na to. Pwede siyang during Christmas or New Year. Dito kayo manonood ng mga fireworks and pwede siyang gawing parang living area, diba? Additional living area. So, napaka-useful din ito kasi meron siyang bubong. Ayan, meron siyang, it's covered, kaya kahit umuulan tulad ngayon, pwede siya magamit. And then, the view of Antipolo. Quick recap lang tayo for this house tour, guys. So, this house stands on a 240 square meter lot area with a 300 square meter floor area. This has 3 bedrooms convertible sa to 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, and meron din siyang 4 car garage. So, ang kagandahan, isa sa mga main advantage of this house, it's fully furnished. So, lahat na nakikita nyo nandito sa house tour na to, kasama po yan. So, you can contact us on the number below. We also have Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Sa lahat po ng hindi pa naka-follow or naka-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell para ma-notify kayo on our next videos. So, maraming salamat and thank you for watching. See you on the next one.